Okay, it is not going to happen. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all doing well. Samsung is thinking of sticking with the last year Galaxy Z Fold 3 type things in Galaxy Z Fold 4, and yes, it will be disappointing for the Galaxy Note users. All of the previous rumors were wrong. If everything goes well, we may see Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 hit the mark in August along with the Z Flip 4 and Watch 5, but it seems like Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is not going to appeal the Note users. Previous rumors stated that we may see built-in S Pen in upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4, but it seems like Samsung is not interested in it. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 or Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Which one would you prefer? According to the well-known tipster Ice Universe, Samsung is not going to put built-in S Pen in upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4, and it is confirmed. But Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will support S Pen just like the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now it is confirmed that this will be an added accessory just like the Z Fold 3, where you need to carry extra pen where you have to put your S Pen. He also claimed that Samsung is making Galaxy Fold 4 smaller and thinner, which means we may see new hinge design, which we already talked in our previous videos. Single hinge design will make your phone thinner, lighter, and more durable. Now if the phone is smaller, then battery capacity is what we all are concerned. Galaxy Z Fold 3 comes with 4400 mAh battery, which was not sufficient for a full day usage, and people have a lot of complaints about it. And I think due to the putting a bigger battery, Samsung cut off the S Pen idea, because not everyone uses S Pen, but battery is much more important. Meanwhile, yesterday we get a news regarding the mass production of S Pen, and it is likely the additional S Pen that won big just like the Galaxy Fold 3. Although if Samsung is not doing this built-in S Pen, if someone really needs it, it will get an option to avail by spending a couple of dollars on it. Samsung is going to keep IPX8 rating for the Galaxy Fold 4, which were in Z Fold 3, and Z Fold 3 was the first ever foldable phone to have it. And this could be a new question since Samsung is using new ultra-thin glass, and this gives your S Pen a stronger surface and a better protection. Although Samsung is still opting some feature of the Galaxy S22 Ultra from its cameras: 108 megapixel main lens, 4 megapixel ultra wide and 10 megapixel telephoto, and 10 megapixel selfie camera, but it is not confirmed if it's UDC, under display camera, or outer display camera. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 or Fold 4. Which one would you prefer? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.